Oi oi, what's going on troops? Welcome back to the channel. We're out on a bit of a rainy day. We're off to Lulworth Cove, but the weather is saying that it's sunny down there, so we're taking a chance. I'm out in the scenic to try and stay a little bit more comfortable with my heated grips and my wind visor. I'm just off to go and meet a few others at Tesco and then we'll set off. And hopefully this bloody rain clears up. Hello! If they're empty, I'm just going to be bothered to take them off. It's good. Nice. Well, we just stopped for a little leg stretch, and now we're back on our way. We are 45 minutes out, almost there, half the journey done. I think we was going to stop at a service station up here, but we just pulled over on a lay-by. Did a couple of bits, and now we're back en route, so I don't think we're going to pull over at the service station anymore. I think we're just going to head straight there now. We've been hit by a few different parts of weather. We got battered by some rain coming through the outskirts of Salisbury. And then we got battered by a load of wind. Crazy strong wind. It's still going a little bit now, to be fair, but we'll get there. Sun's coming out now at least, warming up a bit. I have got the heated grips on full. It got a little bit chilly back there, but it's alright now. I'm just not looking forward to hitting those black clouds up ahead.
you come in, by the side of the bins is where all the bogs go.
Hang on, 2 secs. Say that again, sorry, I had music on.
As you come in,
yeah.
come round the roundabout,
yeah.
right in front of you, by the side of the bins, is where all the bogs sit.
Roger, alright, sound. Cheers, mate. Can we go back out the same way, can we?
Yeah, back out.
Sound.
As you go down, you've got a van park there, camper van, you've got the bush, and it's right next to it.
Mega, cheers, mate. I don't really know where he said to go. He said at the roundabout. Yeah. He's chatting. Oh, is there?
You might be able to get all 4 in here.
Roger. I think we're going in there, I'll let them know.
Come round the roundabout,
yeah.
right in front of you, by the side of the bins, is where all the bogs sit.
Oh, thank you. Behind the bins. We'll get there eventually. Nightmare. Now. Well, there it is then. You know. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
What you got? You got a sticker! Oh, amazing.
Here we go.
There you go, see.
Made my mark. Right, we've had a little look round of Lulworth Cove. We're going to go check out Durdle Door because apparently it's just round the corner and there's some cool rocks or something. So we're going to go have a look at that. Some lovely scenery round here, I tell you. Right, we bought a day pass, so in theory we shouldn't have to pay for parking at the next place. It's quite cheap for a bike actually. £5 covers Lulworth Castle, Lulworth Cove and Durdle Door. Whereas in a car, I think I saw it's about £30, which isn't ideal. Pays to be on a bike, eh? Here she is, Durdle Door. Rough, innit? Well, there we go, that was Lulworth Cove and Durdle Door. We're on our way back, we've just stopped off for fuel. I thought I'd start the camera now because it was pointless just filming us fueling up, but yeah, we're on our way back from a nice little day out. About an hour and 15 minutes to get back. But yeah, that was a nice little day out. As I said earlier, it's cheap if you're taking a motorbike. £5 and it covers Lulworth Castle, Durdle Door and Lulworth Cove parking for the day. So it's worth a little blast down there. Decent scenery, I tell you. Really good day that. Food's decent as well in Lulworth Cove, nice and, I wouldn't say cheap, but for a tourist attraction, usually you pay through the nose, but I think I paid, actually yeah, it's quite pricey. I paid £8 for a chicken, cheese and bacon panini with a bag of crisps and a Dr Pepper, but yeah, all in all, good day. Highly recommend it. I'll tell you what, if you do come down here, I advise not wearing motorbike boots, because if you really want to see the sights, there's a fair bit of walking. So just get a sturdy set of normal boots on that you can walk in comfortably. I'm glad I got my work boots on. I'm glad I didn't have my bike boots on for that. That would have been pretty savage, I think. So I think I'll probably leave it there for this one. You're just going to get the same scenery that you had on the way up here, so there's no point in that, is there? Thanks for coming along. Cheers for watching the video. If you haven't already, drop a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. I'm slowly on my way to 500. Kind of a big milestone, because that's when you can start sort of earning money from your channel. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. In the meantime, stay safe, stay low, move fast, keep it upright, and I will catch you in the next one. See you around, guys.